And
What are those,
cinnamon.
Eli?
Tony's.
Which ones are they?
Crocky and Captain Dreambeard.
Oh, and you like listening to those at bedtime?
Yeah. This one's the most favorite one. Is this one.
Captain
This is
Dreambeard,
Crocky.
and then what? Show me the other one. What is that one called? Here.
Crocky. This one is the one I'll listen to at bedtime. I'll set it up here.
How does it work?
Just
Okay, so there you have it. Well, welcome back to Home Sweet Home, and let's talk about one of our favorite screen-free tools for little ones. Eli kind of just filled you in on his Toniebox, and the Toniebox starter set in light blue with the Playtime puppy, which we can't find right now, but those he just showed you his favorite ones for bedtime. Here's what makes this so smart for parents. It's an audio player designed for kids ages 3 and up, and it helps them listen, learn, and play without the overstimulation of a flashing screen. You simply place the Tony character on top and it starts playing automatically. Stories, songs, bedtime routines, all of it. There are so many to choose from. The starter set comes with the Toniebox and the charging station and the Playtime Puppy Tony, which has about 52 minutes of classic children's songs, so you can use it right out of the box. And the controls are genuinely kid-friendly. The ears control volume, one ear down, one ear up, and the sides let them tap to change tracks. So it builds independence because they can manage it all by themselves without you constantly fixing it. Battery life is up to 7 hours per charge, which is great for quiet time, travel, or bedtime. And you just set it back on the charging station when you're done. I originally bought these for my 2 grandsons when I was nannying a few days a week. And now that they spend the night with me as well sometimes, they're always by the bedside for lullabies and quiet stories. And during the day, it's perfect for when I'm making dinner and I don't want the TV on. Still calm for them and still engaging, but in a much healthier way. Friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. We appreciate you.